Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing mixing all my slime. So yeah, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell button, and yeah, so let's get on with the video. So this is the one that I'm going to be using. It's small. So let me just get my slime. So I'm just going to throw a little bit of the piece of my slime. This one, I have this one. And I'm gonna get this one. Can't really see. Let's mix that one right there. Gosh, no, not right now. So now I'm going to get this blue slime. This is clay. That one, the yellow one, is clay. This is clay. And then gonna put this in. Ooh. I don't want them to mix right now. They want to already mix. And I have this jumbo green slime. So yeah. Oh god, this is kind of melted. There. The last slime is this. Yes. So now I'm gonna mix them. Look really pretty. Yes. Look at the color. Look at the colors. And now I'm just gonna do a little tiny bit of each other color. Each of the same ones, but a little bit. This one, and the last one is this one. Mixing them again. Just gonna start mixing them. Look at this. Ooh, that's red. I think. So this is the final color, I think. I just need to mix it a little bit more. And this is the final color. It's not red. It's like brownish, purplish. It's good. So yeah. So this is the end of this video. So give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell button, and comment down below if you want me to make a makeover on this slime and change of color. So yeah, bye guys. I'll see you in another video.